Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making Kika the active keyboard. Open Settings and set Kika as your default input method, then grant required permissions. Once done, open a message or note and tap the globe or keyboard icon to switch to Kika. You need to confirm full keyboard access if prompted so emoji features work correctly. This step is the only entry point. Make sure Kika appears on the keyboard toolbar before proceeding to search or open the emoji panel. You now explore Kika's emoji interface. Tap the emoji icon to reveal categories and stickers. Swipe horizontally to browse. If you want a specific emoji faster, use the search field, type a keyword and Kika will surface matching emojis and emoticons. Once you see the result, tap to insert immediately, or long press for variations like skin tone or alternative glyphs, and then release to choose. This combination of search plus long press, you finish by customizing Kika so emojis stick. Open Kika settings, enable emoji suggestions, and add favorites for one-tap access. If emojis don't appear, make sure permissions and full access are granted. Then clear the app cache or reinstall Kika as needed. If problems persist, restart the app or device to refresh input services. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify keyboard permission and default input. Most emoji failures trace back to Kika not being set as the active keyboard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.